Good morning. Today is Wednesday, June 14th, 2023.
And I am heading up to Crystal Creek Reservoir
At Pikes Peak. It is one of 3 reservoirs up there on the mountain, and I'm really excited about today for a few reasons. A, it's extremely beautiful today. We have been having rainstorms non-stop every day for like the past month, so it's been really hard to get out and go fishing. Second, Crystal has been closed for like 2 years now due to repairs, and they just filled it this year and stocked it. So hopefully I'll be able to catch some fish. The last reason is I finally am able to use my Go Fish camera to get some great underwater shots. If you don't know how to get to Crystal Reservoir on Pikes Peak, this is how you go. I am just north of Colorado Springs, the city, and it's going to be about a 25-minute, 30-minute drive from downtown Colorado Springs. I am on Interstate 25. I'm going to take the Highway 24 exit. Okay, here's exit 141. Right at the bottom of the ramp, I'm going to make a right to go west on Highway 24. Okay, we are now heading up Highway 24, and we have about 6.5 miles until we make a left onto Fountain Avenue, which is the turnoff for Pikes Peak. It is certainly a beautiful day today. You gotta check this out. There's Pikes Peak right there. Fountain Avenue, Pikes Peak Highway, left. Okay, right here we're going to bear left. Okay, we're coming up on the toll. You do have to pay to enter. Entrance fee was $5 to go fishing. Now we take the 5-mile drive up to Crystal. It's sort of slow going, but it sure is beautiful. Here we are. Oh my goodness. It was really empty. I gotta tell you, I totally was not expecting this. I thought the water would be a little bit higher than what it is. It's usually like I should be standing in water right now. Well, almost, but it is really, really low. So I'm gonna give it a shot, and hopefully I'll make some lemonade out of these lemons. I don't even know how to get over there. I see some people walking a path, so I guess I'm gonna have to go back up and try a different route. Sort of sucks. Okay, here's a walking path to the right of the gift shop. I'm winded from having to walk back up that little bit I went down. We're definitely like at least like 10,000 feet above sea level, maybe more, 12. I'll have to check that out later and report back. Whew. Okay, I've taken that path and it led me to this spot. A couple people fishing. This looks like about the only access you have to be able to go fishing without it being really steep. Unless I walk all the way around, go to that point right there, which I'm not gonna do. Let's go over there and set up. I am at my spot. Looks like this lake is only big enough for like 3 fishermen. Me and those 2 guys over there. Everything else is really steep and inaccessible. I'm gonna get set up. Here we go. Okay, I'm set up with 2 poles. This one has the Go Fish camera on it. I have a threaded line. It is really important to have a really, really strong line
onto the Go Fish camera, and then a weaker line at the bottom leading to the bait, just in case it gets snagged. It'll most likely break off here, and it won't break off at the strongest point. There it goes. Okay, hopefully it won't get snagged on anything. It looks like I might have something on. Maybe. I think I lost it. Unless it's swimming in. Oh, it's like the littlest thing ever. I think it fell off. No? There it is. There it is. So it went off the garlic. So I have two. I have the yellow power bait on top and the garlic. No, that's not true. I have the yellow power bait on the bottom, the salmon eggs. The garlic on top, that's a little small. Let me get them in there and probably cut that line. Then I can show you my license if you need it. That's deep and too small. You don't mind that I cut it and release, right? Okay, little guy, sorry about the hook. There, he's good. So, little one, first catch of the day, nothing on the Go Fish, but I gotta produce my fishing license. He's been waiting here for a while. Here.
And do you have your ID?
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Hey, I am here with Rich, who's one of the park rangers here at Pike National Forest, right?
That is correct. On
So-
Pikes Peak.
yeah.
Pikes Peak, America's Mountain.
Tell me a little bit about what's going on with Crystal Reservoir, what happened a couple of years ago, why it was drained, and how it's getting filled, and all that fun stuff.
Absolutely. So this dam was originally put in 1939, and so as you can imagine, technology's changed a little bit over the years. So they needed to upgrade the dam, plus also it's a metal dam, and so they needed to sand it down, replace plates, and then repaint it and get it so that it was up to code. And so during that time frame, this entire reservoir was completely and totally drained so that they could manage that. And now they're putting the water back in. About 30 feet of the water that's in here right now came from South Catamount Reservoir.
Huh?
That will be the next reservoir that they're going to do that process to. And so they brought 30 feet in here, and now, because of the snowpack from the Blue River out by Breckenridge, the Blue River Reservoir up there, they're putting 4.5 million gallons in here per day. So this is coming up a foot a day.
Nice.
Yep. So hopefully by the end of the season, this is actually, we will not be able to stand where we are right now.
Yeah, I remember a couple years ago fishing, and I was fishing up by the tree line. And I came here today, and I was pretty surprised, but I was like, hey, let's just make some lemonade.
And that's what you got to do.
Nice.
Yeah, plus, it's easier to do that on a sunny day.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
You have a great day.
Absolutely.
Thanks.
You do the same.
Okay, I got a bite. I got a bite on the Go Fish camera. Hopefully it's recording. There it is. Hopefully we got that footage. The altitude of Crystal Creek Reservoir is 9,230 feet above sea level, and the size is 136 acres when filled. There's a bit over 3 miles of shoreline to go fishing from. You can go fishing with live bait, lures, power bait, but no minnows, and of course fly fishing. Don't forget your Colorado fishing license. The reservoir is stocked with trout by Colorado Parks and Wildlife, and you are always bound to catch a fish. You can go boating here when the reservoir is full, but no gas motors, and state boating regulations do apply. Besides fishing, this is a great place to take the family and a hot spot for tourists. There is plenty of parking and miles of trails for hiking and mountain biking. You can also picnic here, visit the gift shop, and pan for gold. There are plenty of restroom facilities as well. I think I got a bite. I'm messing around with my Go Fish camera. I think it's on, fish on. No, I lost it. Fish on, getting a bite. There we go. Guy besides me's been reeling them in left and right. It's a nice little one. Get my glove on. There we go. Okay. Oh, there he goes. Well, it looks like I'm gonna wrap it up here at Crystal Reservoir. I had a really nice morning this morning. Caught 3 fish, got a couple nibbles. So it was successful, had a lot of fun. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell for future notifications. Have a wonderful day fishing.